What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. Today we had a cruise tonight going to LA on the 4th of July. We'll see how this goes. I can't get the freaking route to work, so I'm just trying to follow everybody. I don't know how it's gonna go, but I'm just waiting for everybody to leave. I think we're leaving right now, but I'm not too sure, so I'm gonna just kind of wait till everybody leave. So yeah, everybody leaving right now. I'm gonna head out with them. So yeah, I'm gonna go to eat. I'm gonna go this way. Alright, y'all, hopefully you guys do enjoy the video. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe, whatever you want to do. There's hella traffic to get on the there's hella traffic to get on the freeway, so I'm gonna catch y'all when I get back on the freeway. My windows down a little bit, probably all the way actually. It's gonna be hella cold, but you know, gotta get that audio and make sure you guys can see, because the tent is hella dark. Yes, sir. Let's see if we can catch up to the group right now. Why we breaking so much? catch y'all when we get to the spot. Alright, shoot, I think we here. I'm not sure. We're on a bridge right now. I went here last time, so I think we are here. But ain't nowhere to park. So I think we're just kind of rolling through. I'm not sure. They're gonna check the. Got preview it. Alright, yeah, that's good. Anyway, I think we here though, but it's on a bridge. Ain't nowhere to park. Everybody can. I took a wrong turn, but I came back. Yeah, we on a bridge right now. I don't know if y'all can see. This freaking. Yeah, I gotta put my head weird. Not sure where to go after, but I mean, we here. Shoot. Someone got pulled over back there. It's a shame, but it is what it is. God damn. Nice Mustang though. Yeah, I'll catch y'all when we do something. Alright, so I guess, oh freaking whatever. I guess the cops got too hot, so we're going to the second spot right now. Everybody's like split up, but I think this guy going to the same spot, so we can drive with him. I'll pass him on. Well, pass me and lose me, but we're gonna go. Second spot's in Long Beach, so we'll just go there real quick. Might as well keep the night going. Yeah, after this car. Being that close to the wall. The exit's up here, so let me just get in the decently right lane. Oh yeah, this lane's alright. I'll catch y'all when I get there. Alright, so that'll pretty much do it for the POV drive. Everybody split up, but we at this Raising Cane's right now, and I'm gonna just chill here for a minute. I might order food, but I probably will actually. I was probably gonna get Cane's. I don't know. Probably get it, but the BMW race is over there, so might walk around, might not, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.